Now let's take a look at how the plugin helps manage visibility and isolation of point clouds. One of the common challenges when working with point clouds in AutoCAD is that you can't isolate or hide locked point clouds, which makes it difficult to manage complex scenes. It simply filters locked objects from the selection. This plugin removes that limitation. It allows you to hide, isolate, and even crop locked point clouds, giving you full control over your workspace. Let's see how it works. Here I have a few locked point clouds, as you can see in the Properties panel. Using the plugin, I can easily hide them, and then bring back with the Show command. And importantly, the clouds remain locked the entire time. I can also toggle visibility on and off with a single command. This is very helpful when I need to clean up the view temporarily while modeling or inspecting other geometry. Isolation tools work in a similar way, but with all objects and not only point clouds. I'll select a few objects, including the locked point cloud, and activate Object Isolation. As you can see, only the selected elements remain visible. Same with hide objects. To bring everything back, I'll use the unisolate command. If your point cloud suddenly disappears from view, which is common after rotating in 3D or working with big coordinates, the Zoom to Cloud command will help you to find it. And finally, if I want to unlock the point cloud, I can do that instantly without selecting anything. And remember, all plugin features work perfectly with locked point clouds, so you can lock them at the start of your session and forget about it. They'll stay protected and you'll still have full functionality.